Talk to you both. Back to Steve.
Fantastic effort from young Nick Hamilton. Paul Rivette, though, was some distance way down the track as race winner. But what about the extra attention that those guys have brought to the paddock this week?
Well, it's absolutely great for the whole championship. You know, it lifts the whole profile up, and you know, it's an absolute pleasure to have him here and racing with us, and pleasure to be racing with Nicholas as well.
Quite nice to have Lewis Hamilton in the Renault Clio Cup paddock.
It's always lovely to see figures like Lewis around the circuit. So yeah, absolute pleasure to have them both here.
I'm sure you've had time to give him a little bit of encouragement, but as the season progresses, what are the things that he's got to master, do you think?
It's getting the general feel for the car out there. There is an art to driving these cars, and it's just having that art. If you push too hard in the car, you eat the front tyres, you soon suffer with understeering, and you know, just can't hold the times together. So it's a key to, you know, being smooth, consistent, and you know, once you've got that under your belt, you can start to progress from there. But you know, he's doing an absolutely great job out there. You know, we've seen lots of other newcomers to racing step into this championship, and they haven't done as well as Nicholas has. So you know, hats off to him. He's doing very well.
So you've got to do it in stages. You understand the car, and then it's time to really go racing and start taking on new boys.
Yeah, indeed. I think you've got to have a good understanding of the car underneath you and what you can do, what you can get away with, etc., and then sort of work on it from there. But you know, he's doing a very good job. I'm impressed.
You've done it all in this category. You've got the experience, but it's been a good start to the season.
Yeah, it's been a great start. Third place yesterday and a win today. You know, it should put us in the lead of the championship, which is exactly what we wanted for the start of the season. So hopefully we can continue, take the Loomis and Blue Square Data car through to winning the championship. But it's early days, of course, yet.
Just like the Hamiltons over there. Remember all the sponsors, name them all.
Got to remember them all, and of course the team staying.
On row 6, row 7, Aaron Williamson and Colin Finn. Then it's Mark Stewart and Jodie Fanning to Pyro row 8, row 9, Robert Gaffney and Louise Richardson. Row 10, Martin Thomas and Paul McLuhan, who I don't think's taking part in this one, sorry, might get earlier on. Jordan Skinner completes the grid on row 11. Not quite sure how much time we're going to get to talk about the new Formula. Do that as the race gets underway, but we're waiting for the lights. So it's Colin White, this is the reverse grid, and Colin White, who was fourth in race 2, came out during pole with George Murrells, the reigning Ginetta champion, alongside him. Oh, a problem there for Adam Morgan, who scores on the line. Two cars in fact start on the line as well. I think it might be Pablo Mosquito. So they go down into paddock for the first time. Colin White gets away well. He absolutely loves this brand new G55, and this is why he loves it. He said when you go up to like Druids, you can throw it in. It's a new engine Lawrence. You're probably the best man